Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Mazda CX-5 easy method. Start by confirming the key fob battery is strong, then hold the fob within 3 feet of the driver door while pressing unlock once and waiting 2 seconds before trying again to avoid signal interference. If the electronic method fails, use the mechanical key blade stored inside the fob to unlock the door manually, and always turn the key firmly but smoothly to avoid damaging the lock mechanism and allow access to the cabin without relying on electronics or remote signals. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can shift your money mindset and make practical saving feel easier. It pairs surprisingly well as a reward after you master this simple CX-5 trick. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If repeated attempts fail, troubleshoot by testing a spare fob, replacing the battery, and moving away from potential interference like keyless entry jammers. If problems persist, consult a qualified technician to reprogram the key or repair the lock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.